What is ATS? Applicant Tracking System is a software that manages your entire hiring and recruitment process. It helps you to speed up candidate management and significantly reduce time to fill. From posting the job online to making the job offer, ATS in recruitment keeps track of all the activities in the recruiting department. Over 98% of Fortune 500 companies use applicant tracking systems or ATS to manage their large volume of application. This gives recruiters a jump start when considering candidates for interviews. ATS scans resumes and ranks candidates based on how their experience and skills match the requirements of the job description. Here are some reasons why we use ATS: customizable and configurable. Integrate with career sites, job boards, and social media. Increase your pool of qualified applicants. Thin out the candidate pool. Gather all your applicants' data and hiring info in one place. Avoid interview blunders. Reduce the time burden of hiring. Save on hiring costs. Upcoming video. Features of ATS. Thanks for watching.